Hi, good morning all. My name is Manjunath Reddy, investor trader in stock markets. Do you want to achieve your short-term and long-term goals? Do you want to become financially free in future? Do you want to become rich in future? Do you want to save money for child's education? Do you want to save money for your marriage? Do you want to save money if you are planning for a abroad trip? Do you want to save money if you are planning for the retirement? There is a one-stop solution where you can save money and invest money into that, so that it is going to generate higher returns. India is the fastest growing country in the economy compared to the developing countries. So India is the epicenter for all the developed countries to export the goods and to do business in our country. In India, the nominal GDP is 12%. So if we consider the inflation in India, the inflation is 3 to minimum 3 and maximum 5%. If you take the inflation is 5%, and if we calculate the GDP, nominal GDP is 12%, inflation is 5%, and if you consider the real GDP, if you subtract the nominal GDP from the inflation, 12% minus 5% is 7%. The real GDP of our country is 7%. So as India is the fastest growing country in the economy, the GDP is goes on keep on increasing. So the GDP is not going to fall below 7%. Okay, as India is the developing country, there is a purchasing power parity is more in our country. So in India, India is facing the problem of inflation is nothing but demand is more, the supply is less. So in developing countries, this is the big problem, that is due to inflation. For the same product, you are paying more money to buy the product. That is due to inflation, that is decrement in value of currency. Day by day the value of currency is going down. For the same product, you are paying more money to buy the product. Coming to the developing countries, in developing countries, the GDP, there is a slow growth in the GDP because the purchasing power parity is low. Okay, and in developed countries, supply of money is more than the demand. So that is why purchasing power parity is low, and GDP is also, there is a slow growth in the GDP in developed countries. Okay, so in order to beat the inflation and to fulfill your short-term and long-term goals, there is only way where you can invest in stock markets, mutual funds, debt funds, public provident funds, NPS, that is nothing but national pension systems, post office schemes, and FDs or CDs, and sovereign gold bond, where we can store the gold in a digital manner. So in order to invest into stocks, mutual funds, debt funds, hybrid funds, and SGBs, you need to open a demat account and trading account to perform trading in stock markets. And if you are planning for investing into the long term, you have to open a demat account. To purchase SGBs directly, you can buy from the banks and you can store its value from the banks are going to store that whatever the gold you have been purchased. And coming to mutual funds, you can invest into the mutual funds. For mutual funds, you does not require any account. So straight away you can invest into the mutual funds, that is through the broker, that is through the agent, or that is through your advisor. So there are few mutual fund apps where you can directly invest into that without having the demat and trading account from the brokers. So that is nothing but Axis and Aditya Birla Group, and there are few different companies where the companies are going to afford apps to invest into their mutual funds. So mutual funds are good for the long term because it is, you are letting your emotions and sentiments, it can be carried out by the fund managers. Just you are expecting to generate best and good returns in the long term. Okay, so in mutual funds we have debt funds, hybrid funds, and closed-ended funds and open-ended funds. We have gilt funds, and we have better than FDs, that is nothing but corporate bond funds, and we have tax saver funds, and we have different funds we have different mutual funds. So based on your desire and based on the returns given by the mutual funds, you need to choose which mutual fund suits you, that will help you to fulfill your dreams in the long term. Thank you.